Hey, here with TheEZGZ. Let's get this show on the road. It's Friday night in Loveland, Colorado, and we got all these people walking around with no masks on, and this is the best turnout I've seen so far. They're over in the overflow parking over here on the other side of the street. I'm just gonna breeze through here real quick. You guys see lots of cars, and we'll just make it a short, quick one. God, some of these people I haven't seen since last year.
I mean, where in the hell is this world at?
Yeah, there's Randy's. This is VW powered. Wait till you see this little tricked out Baja down here. Actually, I came tonight with my dog just to see how she'd do, and she did pretty well. I was surprised, but I thought, no way I can forgive myself and not make a video on this. Golly, an Edsel. I can't tell you the last time I saw a drivable Edsel. 4-door, hardtop. Had an old neighbor that had a convertible. What a contraption, man. The trunk lifted up. It was a hardtop convertible, and it had sections in it. And there was oil tanks and hydraulics, and there was so much mechanisms to get that top to automatically go. The trunk opened from this side. It was really neat. All right. They look like center lines, but those center hubs and the bolt pattern isn't working for me. These are some sort of Chevy adapters or something. I shouldn't criticize this car. I would never be capable of building anything this nice. I would get it all scratched up just trying to put it together. But this is a beautiful car. Gas caps on the outside. I like the hood pins. I like the narrow-eyed bug. Yeah, narrow eyes. This thing is sweet. This is what I came back for, to be truthful. Summit Racing, look at those soft seats. I could never own this. Get your crash bars, but do not stand on them. I can't help myself, guys. I can't help myself. The love and the money and the time that it took to build this thing is unbelievable. I was going to get my windows tinted, and they were telling me like $400. I said, my car's not worth that much, and these windows are smaller. They said, that's our price for a sedan. It was the ceramic, I think they call it, window tint, and it's like, nah. Running dual cadrons, dual port head, straight exhaust, no baffle, really nice. Thick flanges on the exhaust, I really like that. Running the alternator, and it's the looks like the old style. That's the kind of linkage I had on my first one. They had a coupling piece right there with the two flanges for the rods joined in the middle, and the ends used to pop off. Yeah, I recognize those clips. For some reason, one of them would drop, and they'd snap in. Chrome valve covers, no comment. It's marking its spot. That's a good dog. That's genuine Volkswagen if it does that. Now, my neighbor got pulled over for having a tinting over his license plate. Something about the radar uses your license plate. They've been adding some type of reflective stuff that is more sensitive to reading license plates. And those guys that drive through the parking lots with cameras on your cars, like when I worked at the college, they would know immediately whether your car was registered or not. Eyes don't leave fingerprints. Nice. What a beautiful, well done car. If you watch this, sir, congratulations. I'm jealous, but I'd never be able to take it on a dirt road. Ball joints, front end. I like those empty shots for a street buggy. They're nice and soft, and they give you the lift that you want. Nice to have a sway bar. Just saying. Yeah. So I hope everybody's having a good Memorial weekend, and the bathtub's full of water. All the people got their boats on the lake at my house, and there won't be any place to park. Just awesome to see all my friends and fellow hot rodders out enjoying themselves again without masks. This place was a ghost town last year while the mask order was it just, you know, half a dozen people show up at any one time. Since it's a VDub channel, might as well show a VDub bus, huh? I think I know who this is. I think it's Wild Bill's, but I'm not sure. It has the good right patina. Cool. Air cooled. Everybody pulled their stuff out of the garage today. I gotta see where they're giving. Here's a nice looking little buggy. It's got the telltale oil spot in the correct place. That looks interesting. Look forward to a video on that. There's a story that goes with it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. TheEZGZ out.